Here's a great deal on a 2018 Subaru XV Crosstrek. It features a continuously variable transmission, all-wheel drive, and a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, heated seats, and much more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Subaru's comprehensive certification process, including a comprehensive 152-point inspection. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.